How to delete order history on Temu. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Temu application in your mobile device and simply log in into your Temu account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on the U icon right over here. Then inside here, you'll be able to find a different option. From your option, you'll be able to find history option right over here. Tap onto it, and just like that, you'll land in your browsing history. If you would like to delete the order history, tap on manage. Select the items that you would like to delete from your order history, then tap on delete right over here. Just like so, tap on delete again, and just like that, it will then be deleted. After you're done, you can even come to your home screen, then tap on the search bar, and then from here tap on the trash icon right over here and delete your search history from here. That's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.